See? How do you know he's praying? He looks mad. He's a mad man. He's trying to pull my boat down. I'm like, thank you. Mom, put your string down and he'll pull you like that. Mom, put your string down.
I don't know that I want him to pull me. Look at him.